Well, when it comes to digital tax, that was a topic discussed here yesterday by the finance ministers of the 28 European countries, and there was simply no consensus. Countries such as Ireland, the Netherlands, Sweden and Denmark opposed to a common EU approach when it comes to digital tax. They prefer an international approach, an international discussion at the OECD level. However, we know that certain countries in Europe have moved ahead with their own digital tax, including France. There's a 3% tax on companies, on tech companies, including Google, Facebook and Amazon. And this decision from the French government has has sparked some criticism in the US. Certain officials in the United States have said that this digital tax in France is ill-conceived and it targets US companies. Yesterday, I interviewed the Commissioner for Taxation and Economic Affairs, I should say, Pierre Moscovici, and he said that a digital tax discussion in Europe and an effective digital tax in France is not meant to target US companies. Let's listen in.
There is no digital taxation anywhere in the world. So we were the first ones to propose that, because we think that those digital companies must pay their fair share of tax where they create value and profits. It's not done before the European elections. It would have been better. But there is another way to think about it. It is in the debate of the European elections. I think that parties now should go to their voters and tell them, you must urge your government to approve such a taxation. And we will come back on that later on. But I think it's really on our agenda, and that people in Europe, as in the world, cannot stand that multinationals don't pay their fair share of tax. And there is a huge pressure on that, and you may be sure that, again, it's not the end of the story.
So what do you make of the US position regarding the attempts in Europe to create a digital tax? And some countries did move forward.
Well, I think that we are sovereign countries. The US are the US, the EU is the EU. We are not disputing the capacity of the US to decide on their own tax issues, and they must also respect our own national and European sovereignty. And this is why, frankly, I don't think this is a respectful attitude to attack a country because it would create a digital tax.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.